You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn how to pronounce his real name, make sure to stay tuned. I've got a video for you. I'll link to it at the end of this one. And for names from Buddhism too. Buddha. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Buddha. How to say. There may be some slight variance into the U sound. Buddha or Buddha. But generally speaking, that's how you say it. Buddha. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.